Okay, now I'm just gonna show you how to save vector art in Illustrator. I mean, I've just got this, stupid thing that I just kind of was mucking around to show you guys how to use the various tools in Illustrator. But just say this was some masterpiece that you wanted to save, so you can get it printed up in a big poster, put up in your room. What you want to do, obviously, go up to File, and you want to go. Well, I mean, it depends. If you want to save it for the web, you can always go to the Save for Web. But you go to Save As. And then you'll have there's a bunch of different options to save it as, depending on what you want to do with it. Definitely save it as an Illustrator document in case you need to go back later and re-edit it, add stuff to it or whatever it is. But then if you want to, if you're going to be getting it printed, you probably want to save it as an EPS file, or a PDF file, depending. If you do save it as a PDF, most printers prefer PDF files, so I'd probably go that route. But always, when you get stuff printed, call ahead to the place you're getting it printed at and ask them what they prefer. But yeah, let's just say we want to save it as an EPS file. So select Illustrator EPS, type in star, find where you're going to save it, and simply just save. That's how you save vector art in Illustrator.